So hello friends, welcome to Intro on YouTube channel and learning session of learning with the intro. In this video, we will see what we mean by sets and what are the different operations can be performed on the set by using the different methods. So let's start by a definition. What we mean by set? Set is nothing but we can say it is an unordered collection. So what we mean by this definition, we will see through one example. So here I am creating one variable called as sets is equal to, and you can see here I am using the curly braces. So this is the syntax of a set. So now I will pass some values like a, b, c, d. You can pass as well as here numerical value 1, 2, 3, 4. I am passing. So now let's print our set. So you can see here the order is being not maintained by giving the output. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is being printed first. After that b. After that C is printed, after that D, and after that A. This our definition means it is an unordered collection. What in the case if you want to perform the different operations on this on our set by using different method. So now let's create here one set. Set 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. For elements I am giving. Set 2 is equal to we'll do as 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can perform now union on this set. So we can perform like set 1 union with set 2. And what in the case of the union? In the union, after doing the union, you will get all the numbers which are being dissimilar. Here, our number or the dissimilar numbers we have get 3 and 4 is being common in this. We have put 3 and 4 just once. So you can perform also an intersection, set 1 and set 2. Here we use person, then and symbol with set 2. Here is our output. By performing the intersection, we get all the common elements in between the set 1 and the set 2. So what in the case if we want to add a particular element to our set? So we can do it as set name. Suppose I want to add here 5. I can add set 1 dot add the number which I want to add. So I want to add 5. Now let's check our set 1. Here you can check. We added the new element and this is our modified set with the newly entered number 5. What in the case if you want to add the multiple numbers? You can do it by using the update method. So here I want to add now more than 2 numbers. So I am adding here 7, 8, 9. Now let's print our set 1. So now let's see the next function, that is length. What in the case if you want to find the length of this complete set? Now I will use the length function. I will find the length. So there are total 8 elements present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Here is our output. It tells us the length of our set. So if we will try to add the number which is being already present, it will be not added. Now let's try to add 7 again. It will be not added to our set. Set 1 dot add. I'm now adding 7. And let's print our set. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 7 is as it is. Newly entered 7 is being not added in the set. We can in definition also you can add that every element should be unique, but in this no value is associated in this set. So this is the difference between the set and the dictionary, that no key value is associated in the set. Now let's go to our next method, that is remove. What in the case if you want to remove a particular element? So we can remove like and use your remove function. You want to remove from set 1. From set 1 I want to remove this 5. This 5 will give here my element which I want to remove. Now let's check our set. Here you can check our modified set. 5 is not present in this set. So now we will go to our next method, that is pop method. What you want to pop any number. We can pop is nothing but it is similar to remove. So I will tell what is difference between remove and pop. pop, and here for removing, we used to pass in the remove method, we used to pass the particular value which we want to remove. In the pop, we won't pass any value. Randomly, any number from this will be removed. Now let's see. So here you can see one is being removed. So now let's check our set. Any random number can be removed from this, and here one is being removed, and this is our modified set. Now let's go to our next operation, next method. We can see what in the case if you want to add set 1. So I will create here again set 1 with new elements 1. This time I will make it small to 3, and set 2 3 4 5. What in the case if you want to join this set 1 and set 2 together, you can do it by using the union function. Union with the set 2, do an union with the set 2. So here is our output. Instead of using this, you can directly use the symbol of the union set 1 that we have seen earlier, union with the set 2. Here is our output that is very similar to this. But in the case, if you want to clear all the elements, if you want to remove all the elements from this set, you can directly use their clear method, set 1 dot clear. Now let's try to print our set. You can see it, we have got empty. So this we mean by a set, and we have seen the different what are the different methods we can perform on the set to perform the different operations. So thank you guys and keep learning.